Hi everyone, my name is Kevin. We're at Toronto Pearson Airport at Avis. And let's take a look at some of the cars they have available for rent today. Just a quick reminder, go ahead and click on that subscribe if you haven't already subscribed to the channel. Thanks everyone who's already subscribed. If you want to see more of these, give the video a quick like. And we're getting started off here with a couple Mustang convertibles. 3 Series BMW, another Mustang convertible, another 3 Series BMW. And looks like we got a Chrysler 300 and... oh, that's that US car. Maybe that was here before. I think that's the Nissan Sentra. Got an X3 over there. And in the upgrade selection, we got a 300. We got a really big Dodge Ram pickup truck. We got a Kia here, Malibu, Dodge Caravan, an Audi Q5 maybe, Q5, Q3, Mustang EcoBoost convertible, Jeep Wrangler. Oh, the Wrangler's got the soft top. Yeah, those are pretty rare. If you can see one of those, definitely grab it. Another Audi Mitsubishi's here. And, oh boy, sit back and relax. Avis has got a lot of cars here. Great to see. Okay, we got a Kia. We got a Mitsubishi Mazda down here. And how am I going to do this here? We'll come back. Try not to forget to come back to do, I know a lot of you guys like the larger SUVs down in the end there. Come back to that. We got a Kia, BMW SUV, and we got one of these larger Buick SUVs, Mustang convertible, got an X2, Cadillac, XT4, XT5, Mazda, yeah, lots of BMW SUVs, a Caravan, oh, another of these Buick SUVs. Actually, you know what, I'll cut through here, we can see what it is. Beside that, I think that's a new Nissan Rogue over there. Is this an Avenir? I'm trying to remember which. Enclave, maybe? Enclave, okay. And oh, what have we got here? A Hyundai truck. And... oh, yeah, I don't know if I've seen the Hyundai truck before. Yeah. Yeah, so the Hyundai pickup truck. There you go. Got a couple BMW SUVs. Another Gladiator, another XT4. We got somebody coming out here. We'll just walk around them. An older Rogue. We got a Hemi 1500 Ram, Hyundai, Mitsubishi, and we got a Prius down at the end. There's actually another soft top Wrangler over there. I don't know if there's anything of note down the other side. I guess a Ford Escape down there. Oh, and here we got one of these big Tundras. And got a Rubicon Jeep. Got a Santa Fe. Got a Jeep Gladiator. Is this another Tundra? Ooh, it looks like they got a couple of those. Tundra TRD. Well, that'd be rare. I kind of like that color, too. Looks like a Suburban. We got a Caravan. And it's starting to rain outside. We're getting thunderstorms here today. Couple larger SUVs. We got a Yukon, 4Runner, another soft top Jeep. Yeah, looks like Avis is doing good if you want a soft top Jeep. Although I have seen a couple at, I've seen a couple over at National as well. Got a Camry here, a couple of Nissans. There's a newer, Hyundai Santa Fe, and we got a BMW, a couple Camrys here. Still need to try one of these Challengers from Avis. This time I went to rent one, they didn't have any in. I do like that burgundy color. That one's got a sunroof in it. Got a 300. Somebody backing in an SUV here. Anything Jeep Compass down at the end. Got a bunch more BMW SUVs. Oh, we got a Honda Accord from the States. Camry. Kia, another Mustang convertible, and we got sort of like a dark purple Dodge Challenger here. It's got the sunroof, nice. Corolla Kia. Oh boy, yeah, all the Mustang convertibles are back. I wonder if that has anything to do with the rain today. Another Gladiator, kind of like that color. Blue. And, okay, let's go around the end here. All right, we got one more aisle, 2 sides here. Let's see if I can kind of speed things up a little bit. we got Nissan there. Looks like an older Pathfinder. We have Jeep Compass, Kia, Santa Fe. Ooh, actually, I think that's a Palisade. Sorry, yeah. Said that, yeah, I think that's a Jeep Compass. Just watching the other side here. Maybe we'll do the other side as well. Got a Nissan Rogue. A couple more Nissans here. Hyundai and a Corolla. What we got on the other side here? I think that's another Santa Fe down there. Grand Cherokee, Audi, Camry. Honda Accord. That might be another U.S. car. We don't have that. Well, I don't know. With COVID, we might have some of those up here. And we'll just go down here. We got a couple more Mustangs. And I think that's going to wrap it up, guys. Thanks for tuning in. Just a quick reminder, go ahead and click on that subscribe. If you haven't already subscribed, thanks to everybody who has subscribed to the channel. If you want to see more of these, give it a quick like. And I'll see you guys in the next one.